Hey guys, and welcome. Today we'll show you how to anonymize BTC with a Bitcoin mixer, which can only be used through the TOR browser. To visit and use this service, you need to install the TOR browser and then copy the mixer's onion address, which can be found in the description. There are several benefits to using a Bitcoin mixer through the TOR network, as shown here: higher anonymity, no IP address logs, which clear web mixer services might collect, resistance to surveillance, no blocks from governments that could censor various mixer domains on the clear web, and protection from malicious nodes, which you don't get on the clear web. Now, let's head back to the Bitcoin mixing service on the TOR browser. To begin, we need to click on Start Mixing. You must enter a Bitcoin address where the clean Bitcoin will be sent from the mixer. You can also add another address if you want the mixer to split the clean Bitcoin between two addresses. Then, select a custom delay, which adds another layer of security to protect your privacy. We'll choose a 17-minute delay, meaning after 17 minutes, we'll receive our clean Bitcoin from the mixer once we've deposited our dirty Bitcoin and it has received one confirmation on the blockchain. Once the delay expires, your clean BTC will be sent to your address. You also need to select a custom fee, which varies from 1% to 3%. This adds more anonymity to the transaction itself. And the fees listed as mixing prices below. When you're done, click Start BTC Mixer to continue. Here, you'll get a deposit address from the mixer where you need to send your dirty Bitcoins. Alternatively, you can use the QR code to send your dirty coins, for example, from a mobile phone. After you deposit your dirty Bitcoins and it gets one confirmation, you'll receive your clean Bitcoin after the delay, 17 minutes in our case, to the Bitcoin address you entered on the previous page. A confirmation will also appear below when everything is successful. I hope this tutorial has helped you out. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and leave a like. Have a good day.